Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, that the daily candle finished here. It's finished that small red candle here. That it's indicating the market is it sideways, and that was me. I told you in the start of the week. I told you all the big whales they thinking of and the view of them. The Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here, and I even give you the numbers. So guys, don't follow no one because majority of those people, they are not traders and they don't know what the market doing. Some of them, they tell you the market is going to fall down. Some of them, they tell you the market is going to go higher. But us, we tell you to enter short from here to here. And I tell you that in Monday, I told you the market is going to stay sideways here. And that's what it's showing because that red one here, that Monday candle, also we enter here in Thursday, and now we are in the near to the end of the week. Today's Thursday, and we stay in here. That's what me have been telling you. So now what the view, the market is going to stay sideways here all those weeks, guys, till 2023. And then Friday, don't miss the Friday video because the Friday video we're going to tell you about next week what the market is going to do. And us here, we said it before when that FTX collapsed, we tell you we got here that inside bar, that one and that one. If we don't break up here or down here, also we're going to stay sideways, and that's what the market is giving us till now. There is no buying, no selling, but for long-term investors, start this and forget about all that. Long-term investors, they say now. Maybe that one it will never go back to it, guys. I think everything is too clear. By the way, yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now guys, let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow. So let's go in there. For tomorrow, guys, as you see, we don't got something special. We just got this kind of news here. We got here the GDP for USA. Then we got the initial jobless claims. That one, let's see how much people they are going to lose the job of them. Because can you imagine the Fed, they're looking about how many people they're losing the job of them. And they want more people to lose the job of them. And as you see it here, the forecast, previous it used to be 211. And the forecast here is 222. Okay, so let's see if it's going to come like that. And the GDP is 2.9 and the forecast is going to stay 2.9. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. And here we got that table as every day we're looking at it. That one here, as you see it, guys, here, nothing was changed. The US stocks, they close in the day green. And I tell you that in the previous video, I told you all of them, they are going to close green here. And that's what it's looking here, as you see it. But the good news here is our friend here, the VIX, guys, as you see it. Is it near to break below 20, as you see it? That means the market is going back to its position before. That's why I told you we are very close, guys. As you see it, 20.07. We are very close to break below 20. And that's something very good, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going back to the chart to analyze for you more. Here, our indicator, guys, people they been with us we buying from here and here. When we're reaching here, we said close what it equal our investment. It meant if you buy from here 100 and from here 100, over here you need to close 200. That's what me I told you. We still with some profit. If it break upward, we're going to enter by that 200 we left with. If it fall down below here to the oversold, we will got that 200 of us. We will buy it again, guys. That our money management strategy, by the way, if you want it, is it down in the first comment, our crypto investing course. In that course, you're going to find that money management strategy is going to teach you a lot of things. By the way, majority of people and majority of the retail traders, they lose because they don't know how to buy and they don't know how to sell. In that money management strategy, we show you how to buy and we show you even how to sell. Everything very well explained, and believe me, that course is better than million of courses online, and it's not expensive. You're using the copy link down. It's only $13. bucks, go ahead and do it and join the course. And believe me, you will not regret. 13 bucks is nothing. It's the price of a cup of coffee, and it's better than million of courses online. That is up to you. So guys, here also we still here in the place where is the bears the controlling. So there is nothing new now as you see it. Maybe from here we're going to fall down, or maybe from here we're going to break that one higher. And me, I tell you all the scenarios, and me personally I think it's going to stay sideways here till next week. We're going to see what's going to happen. Everything is together, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin win right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, also we enter short because we used to have here that channel like that, as you see it. When it's breaking here, we enter short. It came down here. I told you sell what is equal your investment here in that level. It's going back upward here. That's man, you don't lose nothing. Actually, me, I told you to close what is equal your investment here in that peak here. Then when it came here, I told you take some of the profit, and you can find that in our previous videos. And here what did I told you here we do it like that. I told you we got here like a triangle like that. I told you if it's breaking higher enter long. Till now there is no break higher. By the way, may I make it like that, and I told you down here like that. So that one here you extend it here. So if it came and breaking up here, you enter long. Till now also still far away from it. If it fall down, don't enter short because you got a short position. You enter it from that candle here, that one. And if it came and breaking upward here, you close in that short position. You enter from here because you are now in profit. You enter from here. You take what is equal your investment. Here you take some of the profit. So now you are in profit. Even if it go back exactly where you enter, you will not lose nothing. And if it fall down more, fair enough. If it go back up here and breaking here, we'll enter long again, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And here, me has said to the people, maybe we got here a wage like that. But that wage, I told you, it's not stronger. It's going to be broken here by the sideways market. And some people, they went and they followed and they give it to the other people. Please, if you don't know how to analyze, don't analyze for other people. Those people, they follow you and they don't know what they're doing. So even you try to do something hard. If you are not a trader, leave it. A lot of things. The reaction about music, reaction about football, reaction about memes online. There is a lot of things to do. Why you going to trading to analyze for people when you are not a trader? I'm giving that message to someone every time. You got a big channel, he taking the analysis of us, but he's not a trader. He give the people that wage here. That wage here is not yet. To give a people a wage, you need 2 or 3 like that. Like here, yes, you can make a trend line here because you got that one here and that one here and that one here. In the top, you can't. Look at it. That one, you can make it a peak. It's need to fall down again for you to give another peak. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, over here we take us the profit. It fall down, we enter short from here. Fall down here, the first one here. In that one, I told you take some of the profit. Second one here, I told you take some of the profit. It came back up here. You don't need to do nothing because now also we're still in a downtrend. Even if it came upward, now either from here is going to fall down again, or it's going to break upward here, and also we're going to close everything there. And me, I came to you every time, guys. Every day I came to you. So if it's breaking upward, I'm going to tell you close that short position. If it fall down again to here, we're going to take the profit. And that's what also we're doing every time. And also here, as you see it, also we're still here in the place where is the bears, the controlling. So there is no balls yet. And here he tried to give us here a small divergence or hiding divergence, but it's not yet. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, if you remember what me I told you about here, about that one here and here, I told you if it's breaking upward here, enter long, because our indicator is being here at the oversold area. So if it's breaking here, we need to enter long. Till now, it's not, so we need to wait and more. because as you see it, also we've been here in a very stronger supply and demand zone like that. Now if it came and breaking for us the price action, I'll show you enter long, guys. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. As you see it, that the price action here, that peak here, and that peak of that candle here, you making a triangle like that. If it came and breaking upward here, enter long, guys. Take profit, it needs to be here at that level here. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, there is no price action here indicating for us we need to enter long or enter short. As you see it, the market is very flat, guys. There is nothing new. That's why I told you it's not yet. Here in 30 minutes, I don't give you any scalping opportunity. Let's see our indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, it came upward to the overbought area, then it came downward to the oversold area, but the market doesn't move. Actually, there is no big volume, and all the people, they waiting that the breakaway is going to happen either up or either down for them to enter long or short. That's why I don't give you scalping signals, because scalping signals in when the market is sideways, they don't work. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.